10 years ago, the National Privacy Commission began its journey. A small agency with a big mission to uphold the right to privacy and protect the personal data of every Filipino. In those early days, data privacy was still a new conversation. Organizations were learning what it meant to protect personal information, and individuals were only beginning to realize the value of their digital identities. But together, we started building a culture of privacy in the Philippines. Today, I am deeply honored to serve as a third Privacy Commissioner, continuing a mission that has been shaped by the leadership, dedication, and vision of those who came before me. Our first Privacy Commissioner, Mr. Raymond E. Liboro, laid the foundation of the Commission,
Ang datos ng Pilipino, protektado.
guiding the country through the early implementation of the DPA and establishing the institutional framework for privacy protection in the Philippines. Our second Privacy Commissioner, Attorney John Henry D. Naga, strengthened that foundation, expanding regulatory guidance, deepening engagement with stakeholders, and steering the NPC toward becoming a multi-award-winning and widely recognized authority in data privacy and personal data protection.
Datos nyo po, poprotektahan namin kasi ang datos mo, protektado ko.
Because of their leadership and the continued commitment of our partners and stakeholders, the work of protecting personal data has grown stronger over the years. We have worked with government agencies, private institutions, and communities across the country and all over the globe. We have issued policies, provided guidance, responded to emerging technologies, and helped Filipinos better understand their rights and responsibilities in the digital age. And through every challenge and every milestone, one thing has guided our work: the belief that privacy is a foundation of trust. As we mark the 10th anniversary of the National Privacy Commission, we invite you to join us in this journey. Join us during the Privacy Awareness Week, happening on the last week of May. This year's overarching theme, Anamnesis, Looking Back and Moving Forward, calls on us to reflect on where we started, appreciate how far we have come, and renew our commitment to the future of data privacy in the Philippines. Looking back, we honor the individuals and organizations who helped shape this progress through the PAO Awards 2026 with the theme 10 for 10. We recognize 10 outstanding champions whose efforts have strengthened privacy protection in our country. As we move forward, protecting personal data amid the rapid rise of artificial intelligence and digital technologies requires collective action. A highlight of the celebration will be the National Data Privacy Conference on May 28, with the theme Digital Bayanihan, Nurturing Privacy Consciousness in the Age of AI, where leaders, experts, advocates, and privacy champions will come together to share insights, exchange ideas, and shape the next chapter of privacy protection in our country. As we celebrate 10 years of the National Privacy Commission, we also celebrate the growing community that made this journey possible. Our partners, stakeholders, and every Filipino who believes that personal data deserves protection. We invite you to be part of this milestone. Join us this Privacy Awareness Week and be part of the conversation at the National Data Privacy Conference on May 28. Let us continue the work of protecting privacy for today and for the years ahead.